Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today we have a guest here on the show and an exciting topic. So if you're curious to see what it is, stay tuned. Hello and welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name's Caleb. This is my guest star and my fiance, Zane.
Hello.
So today we are going to be looking at my luxury bag collection. Now here in a couple weeks, I will be revealing an exciting collab I have with a company. And in order to do so, I had to get all of my bags out and photograph them and everything. So while they were out, we thought, hey, why not have a little fun together and see which are Zane's 3 favorite and 3 least favorite. Now, what do you mean by least favorite?
I would say by least favorite, I don't mean that I dislike it. I want you to get it out of your collection. It's more of what I find suits you best style-wise compared to the others.
Okay. So in other words, bags that look terrible on me. That's great.
Yes.
No, but in all seriousness, so we were getting all these bags out and I didn't think I had this many.
I knew you had this one.
Maybe I was in denial, but I think there's 22 or 23 here. I lost count.
Quite a bit.
We have everything from Balenciaga, which is clearly one of my favorite houses, to YSL. I have a few beautiful pieces from Gucci. My lonely Hermes piece.
Aww,
for now. And some Louis Vuitton and Prada, of course. So let's dive in. Should we do 3 favorite and then 3 least favorite, or should we jump back and forth? What do you think?
We can jump back and forth. That'd keep it more dynamic. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we'll start out with the favorite and then do a least favorite. And then I think it'd be fun if you even ranked 1 through 3 of each category too at the end, if you can.
I was not mentally prepared for that, so...
Curveball.
Okay.
Now, if you don't already follow me over on Instagram, a lot of these have already been revealed and photographed over on Instagram. So it's caleb.snell.designer. Same name on TikTok, and I say it every single week, but I don't do anything on TikTok yet.
We're working on that.
I have no idea what to do over there or how to do it.
I have an idea.
Okay. All right. Well, let's dive in. Okay. So I have to mentally prepare myself. I should have gotten some wine for this. Which is your favorite?
Number 1 favorite?
No, just one of the 3.
Just one of the 3. I thought I was ranking. Oh, am I ranking at the end?
Yeah. We're going to do back and forth and then rank at the end for a final score.
Okay.
We take this very seriously.
Okay.
All right. So what is your... What's the first bag that you come across as far as a favorite goes?
Favorite? I would say the Louis Vuitton Pallas bag.
Okay, that's a great bag. Now, why is this one of your favorites?
The story behind it. The run in Munich to find it. It was crazy. I'm running behind him.
Yes.
That's part of the story that's not known. Is I'm trying to keep up with him. He is running, and I'm running as fast as I can. His strides are a little bit longer than mine.
If you haven't noticed, especially in our Chicago shopping vlog, link down below, I'm 6'7", and Zane is a full foot shorter than I am.
5'7".
He's 5'7", so he's usually a little bit behind me.
Yes, I have to make sure my strides keep up with his
Yes.
strides.
This is a fabulous bag, though. Good choice.
Yes. Yep, I like that bag. I think it looks good on you. I just like the story. I really enjoy the story. It has a lot of good memories to it.
It's very sentimental.
Yeah.
And it's one of the few instances where I ran.
He did run.
I sprinted through the Christmas streets of Munich for this bag. It was breathtaking, to say the least.
Yes.
But no, that's a good choice.
Yep.
All right. Got to prepare myself. What's one of your least favorites?
This is going to be hard for me to reach.
Yeah.
It's going to be the Balenciaga Puffer Clutch. I don't remember the name. It's very long.
I promised in the review video of this bag that I would never say the name again, so I'm not going to.
So, link down below for that. The reason this is in my least favorite would not be because of the design. I think it's fun. It's just a ginormous clutch, and he basically is a travel pillow.
Pretty much.
So I just think it's very cumbersome, and you have to be very mindful of the corners. It's very delicate. It's not as durable as some of your bags. So yeah, that would fall into my least favorite category.
I agree. Yeah, it can be a pain to carry. I think I lamented that in my video. It is big. You do have to watch the corners. I did carry it for almost a week straight last week, and I had fun with it. It's not a great summer bag, especially it's 90 degrees outside right now. That's why you might hear our air conditioner running. I like it. It definitely packs a lot of style punch, but it's not a daily, everyday bag. That's for sure. No.
I feel like with all your items in it, it'd be very heavy.
It does get heavy.
And like you said, in summer, it's going to get very hot. holding it.
A big, massive black leather bag. But it's still gorgeous nonetheless. I'm glad I bought it. I'll be honest, aside from the week that I carried it, I might have taken it out once or twice.
Yeah.
Mostly for photos.
Nothing wrong with that.
No. Do it for the gram. Hashtag for the gram.
All right,
so there's the first least favorite. Okay, I'm not too offended yet, so let's keep going. What's your next favorite bag?
Next favorite bag. I really enjoy this YSL Uptown Clutch. Look at me knowing these.
You knew
items.
it.
I'm
you
so
did
proud
it.
of myself. I love
Did you see that with this look? I mean, I wore that in Chicago with a different necklace, but okay, sorry.
No, I'm used to being interrupted. It's okay.
Stop.
I enjoy a YSL logo, obviously in a gold moment. I love the colorway on this. It's a really beautiful colorway. The two-tone with the canvas and the dark leather trim. Now, practically, you can't carry too much in it, but I think it looks really good, and it goes really well with your outfits most of the time. You wore this in Chicago, looked really good. So I think this is a good bag.
That was probably the first or second time I carried it.
I know.
I might have carried it to work once.
It's a small clutch.
It's very small. And I bought it for a formal event in the middle of COVID. Didn't get to use it, so I'm going to use it now.
That's right.
Now, what's your next least favorite?
Least favorite. This might shock you.
Okay.
It is the green Louis Vuitton.
Oh. Okay. That does shock me a little bit. Why is this one of your least favorites?
He loves this bag.
I do. It's a little bit big for what I carry, but...
And that is the primary reason I don't like it. It is so big.
I mean, that's a big...
Huge bag.
Crossbody shoulder bag. Now, I primarily only use this when we're in Europe, so I don't really use it a whole lot here stateside just because it is so bulky and cumbersome. And realistically, on an average day, I don't carry near enough to actually fill it up. It's a big bag.
That's primarily why I don't like it. Because of how big it is. You don't have anything that you need to fill this in. It's just too big. Even when you travel in Europe, I think it's too much.
Usually.
Yeah.
It won't be going with this next time. But I do love it nonetheless. I love a Tiger Green moment.
I do like Tiger Green.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think it's a good part of your luggage collection.
Yes.
So yes, I agree with that. All right.
Okay. That was surprising, but I completely concur.
Okay, so my last favorite. I'm a little torn. This is where I wasn't sure.
Okay.
I do like the YSL Sade clutch. Sade clutch. And
that is a contender.
Your Gucci Python is really pretty. I like...
Can we discuss this?
Yes. I do like the shape of it. Little briefcase moment. We were talking about how it's the same size as the Kelly 25. 28. It's
very similar in size to the 28. I think the 28 might be a touch taller.
Yeah.
And about an inch thicker. However, purchasing this and like kind of wearing it around the house for a day or two, I used to think I wanted like a Kelly or a Birkin 40, but now I think I could get away with a Kelly 28.
Well, and I think our taste has evolved, especially for men carrying bags. From back in the day when it was new, you were carrying massive totes,
speedy 40s,
messenger bags, and now I'm so over those looks for men in particular, and seeing men carry a smaller Birkin or a Kelly, I'm here for it. I'm okay with it. I think it looks good, and I like the Kelly that goes crossbody, so I think this doesn't have a crossbody feature, but I do like it. I like the Python. It's his first exotic. He was really excited for that.
But it's pre-owned.
It is pre-owned. We love a pre-owned bag.
Yes.
I love the mechanism to get into it.
That is stunning.
And I think the interior is really pretty. I'm excited for you to carry it, and there's multiple different ways you can carry it with the handle and the hand.
So is this your number one? Or your favorite?
I'm going to put it in my favorite.
Okay.
I'm
I was just excited to talk about it. I was jumping the gun. So this is one of Zane's favorites, which is a smart choice. I just got this bag in yesterday.
Yes, yesterday. I was here when UPS or FedEx dropped it off, and I texted them like, it's here.
I literally jumped in the car, and I was here in 5 minutes.
I wasn't expecting that.
No. So I've been eyeing this bag. Well, you've seen my review on it already. It's up, so I'm not going to bore you with the story again. But I'm so excited for the first opportunity to take this bag out. It's a work of art.
It actually is really well made, and
it is
stunning.
Yeah. I kind of want Gucci to kind of head back toward this direction as far as designs and quality.
Well, they are with the JGO right now.
Well, yeah, but I love how sleek and modern and refined it is, as opposed to like some of the newer, more vibrant pieces.
That bag you tried in the Chicago walk.
Fine. Link down below.
I do like that. That was really cool, the color.
Okay, well maybe I like both. I like the new Gucci and the older Gucci.
Yeah, maybe a kind of a when the two worlds meet.
There you go. Kind of an in-between. Okay. So now we're up to the final bag. One of Zane's least favorites.
All of these.
Stop.
All of them.
No.
Just every single one. I'm just kidding.
Shut up.
I do think you've gone Balenciaga overdose.
I only have 5 of the flap clutches.
I know. And there's stunning colors. I actually forgot about this rose color.
Rose Bonbon? How did you forget about Rose Bonbon?
I don't see these. You don't carry them right now.
I carried them all spring.
I know, and I forgot about them. Because he's bought so many since then.
5 is not so many.
I think you bought more than 5 since then.
Well, 5 Balenciaga flap clutches.
I'm talking about how you've bought so many bags since these.
This isn't an intervention. This is your least three favorite and least favorite.
I know.
Are you really grouping all these as a least favorite?
No, I was just messing with you.
Okay.
JK.
Wow.
My least favorite, or one of my least favorites. This is where I was struggling. It will be a Balenciaga, and I'm gonna go with the triangle.
Oh, the triangle. Okay.
I think it's just a unique shape. It's fun, and I get collecting art. And I think that's kind of what this is. It's just an artistic shape. I like it. It reminds me of like TWA. It's giving me that airport vibe. But practically, it's not practical.
Like a Pan Am moment.
Oh, it's Pan Am, yeah. It's Pan Am.
Yeah, it's not a practical bag. This is another one where I might have carried it once or twice since I bought it. It's gorgeous, don't get me wrong. But the way that it's constructed, you really can't get a whole lot in there. Like literally this is your usable space and then you can stand up your phone and that's about it. I mean, this is kind of a bag that you have to have a purpose to carry. Like I'm not just gonna throw my things in there and then have like a busy day of shopping or running around town or even going to work really. Like you would have to have a specific event or an outfit to pull off this bag.
Like his TikTok video.
Embarrassing, but true. So yeah, I completely concur. This is probably one of my least favorites too.
Yeah, we don't let the bags know.
No, they can't hear me.
But no, I like it. It wasn't that expensive. So
Okay.
It wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
So, I mean, it's not like you're losing out. I think it's a good artistic piece to own.
And it looks great in the closet, sitting up. It really does. It's a neat look.
All right. So, if I had to rank these bags.
All right, let's get the favorites gathered around here.
Okay. So, my top favorite would be the Louis Vuitton. Actually,
for sentimental reasons?
Oh, it's all sentimental reasons. It was a fun story.
Yeah.
And it just makes me think of Germany every time I see it.
That was such a good trip.
It was an excellent trip. Highly recommend, if you have the opportunity, go to Europe, in particular Germany, for Christmas.
Yes.
Incredible. I mean, it was an amazing time. Yeah.
Good food, things to do, Christmas markets, castles.
And we have a lot of footage, so we might make a weird vlog.
Like a montage kind of vlog.
Yeah, because we weren't vlogging at that time.
No, we should have though. But
we should have. You're right. I might go Gucci. I'm kind of excited for this piece.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be an interesting and compelling entry into your collection.
Oh, absolutely. Okay.
YSL. I think it's very 80s as you've described it before. So I love an 80s moment.
So how would you rank your 3 least favorite?
I would rank my least favorite as this would be 1.
Okay.
Just practicality. I don't think it's very useful.
No.
2.
Okay.
And 3.
Just because this one's a little bit less cumbersome?
This has got a little more utility, and at least it's crossbody, so that way it is out of your way. These 2...
just purely handheld.
You're going to be suffering, especially with this one in the heat.
Okay. Well, all right. So there you have it. Zane has chosen his 3 least favorites.
Yep.
And, yeah, I concur. I think you picked what I might have picked as well. There's some honorable mentions like the Burberry Fox clutch, the Sade, of course, like you said. I do love the Balenciaga flap clutch. I did go a little overboard. I bought 5.
It's okay.
But
it is what it is.
That is a fun one to use, but I'm glad you picked this one. I absolutely am head over heels for this bag. All right, guys, we'll give this video a huge thumbs up and say welcome to Zane down in the comments. He's going to be making a lot more appearances, I think, here in the future. Totally. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so that way you're notified. And let us know down in the comments if there were any that you would have picked or might not have picked. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Have a good one.
Bye-bye.